Anong parang ikaw din? Babae ka ba? Ay, hindi. The day you kiss my lips, I'm just a feather. Hindi ikaw. You're only 11. Pero alam ko ano ka. Masarap ako, di mo. So, parang sinasabi mo, hindi ako maganda. Sakalin kita dyan. Anyway, like I said, yeah. Clyde. Hold up. Took a walk, baby. Give me one more time. That's what we want. Hi. Clyde. Oh, let it go. Actually, alam ko naman lahat yan. Di ko lang pinapatid kasi syempre, di ba, parang matagal na, mas maganda pa ngayon. Yan na, pindot ko, so... Hello, V. Punishment, hello. Payday. Ay, number. Pindot ko yaw. Ayan, kick mo na kita. Kasi ang kulit-kulit mo. Kanina mo pa ako inaano. This punishment. Cardi, I the number. Mystery man. Nawala.
Nutritious
You love
breakfast,
Filipina
Cocoa
girls.
Crunch.
Filipina girls
Full
are
grain
so
iron and vitamin B. Crunch, Cocoa Crunch.
beautiful. I hope they will love. Kasi bastos kayo na pa eh. Narinig niyo ba ako? Parang bumubulong lang ako. Good morning, Lord Garden. Hi, Jay. Ciao to the Netolo Yunus. Hello, guys. Hi, Q. Now, baby, all let me apologize. Make up for all those times. With your love, I'm begging you. When Filipino talk English, it's so pure. Like me.